This week we're going to highlight weather conditions in Argentina where early planted corn is pollinating. Then we're going to turn our attention to unshipped U.S. corn export sales, which remain historically high. And we're going to wrap things up with a long-term review of December corn futures. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the corn market. We've moved in the middle of January, and while we're in the midst of the grips of winter here in the Midwest, in Argentina they're pollinating corn. Let's take a look at where that corn is produced in Argentina. And we're looking at 4 key provinces here. The major province is Córdoba, Buenos Aires, Santa Fe, and Santiago del Estero. About 80% of the corn is produced in those 4 provinces. Why is it so important to focus on Argentina? We shared this with you, and we're going to highlight it right now that Argentina is expected to account for 25% of the world's corn exports during March to June. Weather there certainly bears monitoring. With that in mind and recognizing that corn is pollinated in Argentina, let's take a look at the short-term weather trends. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. Starting out here looking at some hot temperatures forecast for this week. We're looking here at the period ending Monday night at 7 p.m. Central Time. All that dark red area, that's 7 to 10 degrees above normal. We're looking at mid to upper 90s, in some cases a little bit over 100 degrees during pollination. So again, this has caught the market's attention. What about rainfall? Now we got a little bit of a different pattern setting up later this week. Remember, Monday, January 20th is a holiday, Martin Luther King holiday, so there's no trade on Monday. We've got a long 3-day weekend coming up, and some rainfall is forecast over that period from January 17th to the 21st. Remember, that takes us Friday all the way into Tuesday. All across that green area, some rainfall, not organized storms though. Remember, we're in the midst of a weather market here in mid-January. Now let's look at temperatures extending beyond Monday, from Monday the 22nd, Tuesday the 22nd through Monday the 28th. Not as warm, only 1 to 5 degrees above normal. So we are looking at a change as that rain moves through. A lot of uncertainty. That's why we strongly encourage you to continue to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to manage and not predict price movement. Let's wrap up now looking at 14-day precip totals in Argentina. We're looking here at slightly below normal here over the next 2 weeks. So again, a lot of uncertainty there stretching into the last week in January. Let's switch gears now and focus on export business here in the U.S. Let's take a look at unshipped sales on the books. Now we've highlighted this before, but we'll continue to emphasize it. We're looking at a higher level in the last couple years, but when we remove China, we're looking at the largest unshipped book to all other destinations we've ever seen. Here's the key message that we've highlighted. The USDA did cut 25 million bushels out of the corn export forecast in the supply-demand report last week, but there are trade estimates as much as 100 million bushels higher. It's interesting also that the USDA lowered Brazil exports by 3 million tons, 2 million for old crop, 23-24, and 1 million for 24-25. Again, we'll be following this closely for you throughout the winter. Let's wrap things up this week looking at trends in December corn. December corn has rebounded here up to near $4.55 a bushel. You can see we're approaching that first crop insurance period during the month of February. Once again, strongly encourage you to work closely on your marketing plan with your trusted ATI risk management consultant. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to never miss an upload. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.